In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Keep list. Whether it's collaborating with a colleague or simply sharing a shopping list with your family, being able to easily share your Google Keep notes is incredibly handy. Let's dive into the steps, and by the end of this guide, you'll be a pro at sharing your Google Keep lists. To get started, open your preferred browser and head over to the Google homepage. Once you're there, look for the Google Apps icon. It's the little grid of dots usually found in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a menu of various Google services. You'll want to select Google Keep from this menu. You might need to scroll a bit if it's not immediately visible, but it should be there nestled among the other apps. Once you're in Google Keep, you'll see all your notes laid out in front of you. Locate and select the specific note that contains the list you wish to share. Clicking on the note will open it up and allow you to see its contents in full detail. Now that you have your note open, it's time to focus on the sharing aspect. In the Notes menu, you should see an option for Collaborator. Click on this and a new window will pop up, allowing you to enter the email address or Google group of the person you want to share the note with. This is where you add your colleague or family member's email address to invite them to view or even edit the note with you. If they're already a contact in your Google account, their details might auto-suggest, making this process even easier. Once you've entered the necessary email address, the final and crucial step is to ensure it's saved correctly. You'll see a Save button, and clicking it will finalize this sharing process. This will send an invitation to the person you specified, allowing them access to your list. And there you have it. You have successfully shared a Google Keep list, making collaboration simple and efficient. Sharing notes can help streamline communication, whether it's for personal organization or collaborative projects. Keep these steps handy for the next time you need to share your lists, and feel free to refer back to this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering the art of sharing on Google Keep.